corridors of justice now, where a university student has urged a Nairobi court to summon President William Ruto to testify in a case which he has been charged with publishing false information about the head of state. David Mokaya has urged the court to direct the Director of Public Prosecutions, Renson Ingonga, to supply him with witness statements, including that of the complainant. The Law Society of Kenya, which is leading the defense, says it will write to the DPP to review the case with a view of terminating it as it is of no public value.
David Mokaya appeared before Senior Principal Magistrate Ben Makehubi at the Imilimani Law Courts. The fourth-year student at Moi University, dressed in a black hooded sweatshirt and a mask, is charged with computer misuse and publishing false information about President William Ruto. The Law Society of Kenya, LSK, which is leading the defense through Ian Mutiso and Danstan Omari, say they want to be supplied with witness statements, including those of President Ruto, who is the subject of the proceedings.
The concern that we do have as the defense is the fact that we do not have the president listed as a witness in this particular matter.
As asked whether the president, His Excellency, will take the dog to prove whether he is alive and he is not the one who was in that casket. That will be a national embarrassment, because we shall be demanding that he comes to testify whether he was or he was not.
They claim that police took away all the electronics gadgets from the accused, who is waiting to graduate from Moi University this December.
The submission for the prosecutor in that instance means that any evidence that will be brought here from is going to be inadmissible. Therefore, our request still stands for those particular gadgets to be surrendered to our clients.
The magistrate heard that the case against Mokaya is born out of political malice, and the DPP should come out clear to indicate whether all those people who criticize the government will be prosecuted. The lawyer said they will write to the DPP to review the case with a view to terminate it, as it is of no public value.
We saw on social media somebody being charged that he had shouted, "Ruto must go." And the court declined that charge and said there is no charge, criminal charge sheet to that effect. Your Honor, it is my humble prayer. I've addressed you, but I've addressed my good sister there to tell their bosses, let Kenyans enjoy their freedom of creativity and talking. Let the office of the Director of Public Prosecution stand firm and stop the DCI from embarrassing the office of the Director of Public Prosecution.
However, prosecuting counsel Virginia Kariuki denied the matter is not politically instigated and that the DPP's decision to charge is not pegged on any motivation. She said the prosecution is not opposed to a request for a review of the case. In his ruling, the magistrate said the court will wait for the opinion of the DPP on the matter before making any further comments on the issues raised by the defense. The matter will be mentioned on January 28, 2025 for further directions. The accused has denied the charges and is out of bond. Rozongwe, NTV.